Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my July Jewels Across America. This is a JewelScent monthly subscription. With your first subscription you get this cool little map, and then each month you get a sticker for a state and a candle and all sorts of stuff. So looks like they packaged this upside down this time. This is Rhode Island, okay. It says the Ocean State. And Watch Hill Sunset is the candle fragrance. This is a very heavy, huge candle. This will have a piece of jewelry in it. It used to be just strictly rings, but now they also put earrings and different types of jewelry in there, but it should appraise for at least $40. Let me take a whiff of this, see what it smells like. It smells kind of faint, but we'll see what it's like when it burns. So here's the postcard that's so beautiful. I have not been to Rhode Island, but we also have one of these like maps that look like this that you scratch off, so we hope to visit every state together as a family, that is. So let's see here. I feel like glancing over this, it doesn't even tell you what it's supposed to smell like. It just says summer days near clear blue waters and ivory smooth beaches. So it doesn't actually say anything about the fragrance, but I guess maybe it's supposed to be a beachy one? Who knows? Got extra stickers this month. And I'm kind of upset by the other item in there. Let me put the sticker on and then we'll talk about that. Rhode Island right here. So I put it right there. So we've gotten a decent amount of these so far. So typically there was always a second product that didn't contain jewelry. So it could be a bath bomb, scent beads, a little jar candle, something like that. Well, this time they just put an extra piece of jewelry. I don't really like that. I'd rather have an extra product, even though that product does not contain jewelry. I don't know. What do you guys think? This is just a bracelet and it's not bad, but I typically just don't wear bracelets. But the owner of JewelScent, his father, I believe it is, has his own jewelry company, and that's where the rings inside come from. So I feel like they're moving on to, like, you know, use the father's company more, if that makes sense. I'm determined to stick it out and finish my map. So I'm going to start burning this, and I'll be back to show you what piece of jewelry is inside. Okay, typically I do wait until I see it showing. But I have to leave the house, so I'm going to try to get it out now. And I don't really know how long it's been burning, over an hour, but their wax is like very soft, so should be able to get it out. They don't glue it or anything, so it's just the foil. Yep. That is one thing I do like and appreciate. I don't have to wait long, so it's great if you're an impatient person like me. But as far as the candle scent, I can't really describe any of the fragrance notes, really. Just smells masculine, and I didn't have it burning long, to be fair, but I didn't think it was very fragrant for the amount of time I was burning it. But definitely a masculine scent. This package feels really small, so I think I got maybe a necklace, if I had to guess, or earrings. Hopefully it's not earrings again. Interesting. PP36, so that should be the $40 code. So it's rose gold. It is adjustable. Chain looks pretty short. Oh, that's cool. I actually kind of like that. So it has, oh, what are those things that you see on the beach? They're like little, they're not clamshells, but I found, you know, pieces that have like a pearlescent finish like that on the beach before. That's what it reminds me of. And then there's a little diamond-like stone here, and then running around here. But it also looks really cool on the back as well. There's like a design. You could really probably wear it either way. That's neat. So I'm just going to double check, make sure that is the $40 code, and I will be right back. So that was the $40 code. I know, I think it was last month. I got something that didn't appraise for 40, so then they had to send me something else, and I thought I set it aside to show you guys and don't know where it is. So it must have got accidentally put in with the rest of my jewelry, or else the kids put it somewhere. You can never tell. I looked online. I didn't see what next month is, but stay tuned if you want to see. If you want to check out anything from JewelScent, I'll leave a link below. They do have a specials tab, or they have different offers, free shipping, stuff like that. So in case you would like to order and you need a promo code of some sort, you could find it at the red specials tab at the top. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.